Hey there, garden nerds. I'm Christy Wilhelmi, and today we're at my community garden plot so I can show you how you can build an inexpensive trellis that will last for years. When I first got this plot, these 3 poles were lying here in the plot. This is 1/2-inch pipe, and this is repurposed. They were just lying here, and we hammered them into the ground and lashed them across the top with twine. This has been in the ground for 27 years and it has never failed me. Let's talk about a couple of parameters for installing a trellis. Your 1/2-inch pipe or whatever material you use needs to be hammered into the ground at least 1 foot, possibly 2. In our community garden, our trellises, anything permanent, is limited to a height of 5 feet. So this post is about 7 feet long and we hammered it into the ground about 2 feet. And it's very sturdy. It does wobble, but it's never falling over. You can lash your pipes together with twine or with wire, or you could make the extra expense and buy the metal elbow joints and connect these 2 pipes together. Either way, this is going to last for a long time. This trellis I installed right at the very back of my raised bed. If I had more room between beds, I would actually install this post right here over the back square foot so that I could actually run a string along the very bottom. But since I didn't do that, I came up with a trick to make it easy to grow stuff and to tie string right to the raised bed, and that is these screws right here. You can use deck screws, wood screws. I've even used drywall screws and they work for years. You drill them in so that a 1/2-inch is still exposed, and then you wrap your string around the bottom. Just tie it, a single knot is good, and then run it up to your trellis. Just wrap it up at the top and then go back down to the next screw. So for trellises that last season after season, year after year, decade after decade, all you need is some pipe, some string, some drywall, deck, or wood screws, and you're good to go. For more information about constructing cool things for your garden, check out my book, High Yield Small Space Organic Gardening. You'll find my other books, my online courses, and all the free stuff at gardennerd.com that you can use to grow a better garden. Consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff that we do here at Garden Nerd. Patreon supporters get access to behind-the-scenes goodies, like expedited answers to your burning gardening questions and monthly hangouts with me. Happy gardening!